So 2014 Smart Car Fortwo ED. ED stands for erectile dysfunction or electric drive. Struts. So the hood, it's just annoyance fail. GoPro on the head window thing. But we're gonna fix these things. It's just annoying. Two-person job. Dude, you got all the expensive tools, right? But you can have your friend hold it. So what were these? 15 bucks on eBay. You gotta get in here. That clip there. This is kind of a medium, I think. Oh yeah, that's what you want to do. So it's just, oh, I can see it pop out. Uh-oh. It doesn't want, I don't know why I'm doing that one. There we go. So, and as always, I like to, right as I take it off, I do the next one. So remember which way. Now you want to line these up, and see, that's not lined up right there, but you counterclockwise twist it so it matches. So I'd say like right there. It goes on the way it came off. Oh, that was easier than I thought. Oh, it's such a beautiful thing, dude. Make sure that's closed. Ooh, make sure it's on there. Yeah, make sure it's on there. That's on there. Round two, here we go. Come on, give me that. Oh, what a screwdriver, huh? It's going under. That's the way we got it. $14.98 free shipping. Make sure you have your model number right. This worked. Look at that, hell yeah. Erectile dysfunction. Line all lined up, so we gotta line that up. Counterclockwise. Right, there we go. There we go. Yeah, underneath is the way it wants to go on. There we go. No special tools needed. You've done your job. Oh my gosh, it's so it can stay. It can stay up. Stay up. No way. It's been like, oh gosh, at least a year. Subscribe to my channel. You're gonna learn something. Erectile dysfunction.